Tired of that same old jarring alarm, jolting you awake? Let's transform how you greet your day by personalizing your Android alarm sound. First, locate and tap on the clock app on your Android device. This is usually found in your app drawer among your other utilities. Once the app is open, make sure you're in the alarm section now. Tap on the alarm you want to change, or tap the plus icon to create a new alarm. You'll see a list of settings for your alarm. Look for the option labeled Alarm Sound and tap on it. This brings you to Android Sound Picker here. You'll find a variety of built-in sounds provided by your phone. Tap on any of these to preview them. But what if none of these quite hit the right note? For a truly personalized wake-up call, scroll down or look for an option to add a custom sound. This might be labeled Add New Sound, Custom, or have a plus icon. This will open your phone's file manager, allowing you to browse your own audio files. You can select downloaded music, sound clips, or any audio file you've saved. Simply tap the file you want to use. Once you've chosen your desired sound, you'll be taken back to the alarm settings. Your chosen sound will now be displayed as the active alarm sound. Finally, tap Save or Done to apply these changes. Now, every time this alarm rings, it will be with the soundtrack of your choice, ensuring your mornings are a little more pleasant.